The Leisure Unity is a premium B-plus motorhome that combines modern design, luxury, and practicality for travelers who want top-tier comfort on the road. Built on the reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, it offers excellent performance, fuel efficiency, and advanced safety features for a smooth and secure driving experience. Inside, the Leisure Unity is thoughtfully designed to maximize space and convenience. It includes a cozy bed for restful nights, power reclining leisure chairs for relaxation, and a built-in TV for entertainment on the go. The fully equipped kitchen features modern appliances, making meal preparation effortless, while the spacious bathroom ensures privacy and convenience. Ideal for both weekend getaways and long-term adventures, the Leisure Unity delivers a luxurious travel experience with all the comforts of home, allowing you to explore with style and ease. The Velocitor is a bold concept car designed by Piston Zero, a digital automotive design studio. It takes the Dacia Duster, a popular budget SUV, and reimagines it as a rugged, off-road ready pre-runner truck. Featuring a wide-body kit, massive off-road tires, and a lifted suspension, the Velocitor boasts an aggressive stance built for high-speed desert racing. Its two-wheel drive configuration and powerful engine evoke the spirit of iconic pre-runner vehicles like the Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. This concept highlights the customization potential of the Dacia Duster platform, offering a glimpse into the exciting possibilities of off-road vehicle design. The ARB Earth Camper is a tough and well-equipped off-road camper trailer built for adventure seekers. Designed with durability in mind, it features a wood-free construction with excellent insulation, ensuring comfort in all weather conditions. Inside, it offers a spacious setup with a queen-size bed, ample storage, and convenient features like USB charging ports and interior lighting. The exterior is just as impressive, boasting a slide-out kitchen, a freestanding awning, and an innovative chassis with long travel suspension, perfect for tackling rough terrain. With a perfect balance of durability, comfort, and off-road capability, the ARB Earth Camper is an ideal choice for those looking to explore remote destinations. It starts at a base price of $48,400. The RhinoMax Caravan's Lost Track 18.5 feet is a rugged off-road camper trailer built for adventure seekers who demand durability and comfort. Engineered for extreme terrain, it features a heavy-duty chassis, high-clearance suspension, and ample storage space for all your camping essentials. Inside, the Lost Track offers a well-equipped kitchen, comfortable sleeping arrangements, and an off-grid power system, ensuring a hassle-free experience on extended journeys. Designed to tackle even the toughest landscapes, this camper provides a perfect blend of resilience and luxury. With a starting price of around $75,000, the RhinoMax Lost Track is a top-tier choice for travelers seeking a premium off-road experience. The Freedom Raptor is a high-performance off-road vehicle that merges the power and capability of the Ford Raptor with a rugged camper body, making it ideal for extreme adventures. Built on a modified Ford Raptor chassis, it features a custom aluminum camper shell that offers ample space for sleeping, cooking, and gear storage. Equipped with off-road tires, a lifted suspension, and a powerful engine, the Freedom Raptor is designed to conquer even the most challenging terrains with ease. Beyond its functionality, this vehicle serves as a patriotic tribute to the U.S. military, making it a unique and highly desirable option for collectors and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The Altitude rooftop tent is considered the pinnacle of off-grid living for campers, offering a seamless blend of convenience, comfort, and safety through its advanced features and innovative design. One of its standout features is its automated setup and pack-down mechanism, allowing users to open or close the tent effortlessly with a single touch, eliminating the need for manual labor. This makes setting up camp quicker and more efficient, even in challenging conditions. Inside, the tent provides a spacious king-size sleeping area, comfortably accommodating 2 adults. A high-quality mattress, zippered windows, and a skylight-style roof enhance ventilation while offering a stunning view of the night sky for stargazing. Built for durability, the ARB Altitude is crafted from premium materials designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. The waterproof and UV-resistant hard-shell exterior provides superior protection, while the breathable ripstop canvas walls ensure proper airflow without compromising on weather resistance. Designed for adventurers seeking the ultimate camping experience, the ARB Altitude Rooftop Tent delivers exceptional reliability, ease of use, and all-weather performance, making it a top choice for off-road enthusiasts and overland travelers alike. Let me know if you need any tweaks. The Invader Quattro X is a high-quality off-road caravan designed for adventurous families who want comfort and convenience in remote locations. Built with a durable, yet lightweight fiberglass body, it can handle tough terrains while remaining easy to tow. Its spacious interior features a smart pop-up roof design, which expands the living area to create a roomy and comfortable space for a family of 4. Inside, you'll find modern amenities, including a well-equipped kitchenette, a cozy sleeping area, and a convenient bathroom, ensuring a home-like experience wherever you go. With a price tag of $24,000, the Invader Quattro X offers a perfect balance of durability, functionality, and premium features, making it an excellent choice for off-grid adventures. The Retreat ERV Hyper is a cutting-edge, fully electric caravan designed for off-grid adventures without the need for gas or generators. Featuring a powerful lithium battery system and an extensive solar panel array, this innovative travel trailer allows for extended trips while maintaining a sustainable, eco-friendly footprint. Its advanced power management system seamlessly operates all onboard appliances, including an air conditioner, induction cooktop, hot water system, and entertainment center. Built with rugged durability and off-road capabilities, the ERV Hyper ensures travelers can explore remote locations without giving up the comforts of home. With a starting price of $133,000, the Retreat ERV Hyper redefines off-grid travel by combining sustainability, luxury, and advanced technology. The Rock Bouncer X is an extreme off-road vehicle built for tackling the most demanding terrains with unmatched power and control. Designed with a high-strength tubular chassis and massive grippy tires, it dominates rock crawling, hill climbing, and other intense off-road challenges. Equipped with a robust suspension system and a high-torque engine, the Rock Bouncer X delivers exceptional traction and stability, allowing it to conquer steep inclines and rocky landscapes with ease. The stripped-down interior focuses on functionality and safety, featuring racing harnesses and reinforced seats to handle high-impact maneuvers. Built for hardcore off-road enthusiasts, the Rock Bouncer X is the ultimate machine for those craving adrenaline-fueled adventures in the toughest environments. The vast travel trailer, built by Sylvan Sport, is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who crave adventure without sacrificing comfort. It seamlessly blends versatility and innovation, incorporating features typically found in much larger trailers. One of its standout features is the cavernous rear storage area, providing ample space to haul bikes and other gear, while a side-loading system allows for easy transportation of kayaks and paddleboards. Despite its mid-size frame, the Vast boasts a surprisingly spacious interior with a convertible dinette for added flexibility. A major highlight is the sliding kitchen compartment, which effortlessly extends outward, transforming into a full-featured outdoor kitchen, allowing campers to cook in the open air. Perhaps the most unique aspect of the Vast's interior is its expandable bathroom. providing a comfortable and functional space while maximizing overall living area. Designed to accommodate up to 4 adults, the trailer features 2 queen-sized beds, which can be configured in multiple ways to suit different preferences and sleeping arrangements. With its smart storage solutions, adaptable living spaces, and outdoor-friendly design, the vast travel trailer is a perfect choice for adventure seekers looking for comfort on the road. Let me know if you'd like any refinements. The Ziva Zero is a personal electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically, designed to change how we move around cities. This sleek, modern vehicle is built for one person and offers a new way to travel short distances, especially in crowded urban areas. It uses electric power to lift off and land like a drone, so it doesn't need a runway. This makes it perfect for places where space is tight and traffic is heavy. The Ziva Zero produces no emissions, helping to reduce air pollution and promote a greener future. By flying over busy streets, it aims to save time and provide a convenient travel option for city commuters. Overall, the Ziva Zero represents a big step forward in personal transportation, combining advanced technology with environmental care to make city travel faster and less congested. The Speeder, created by Jetpack Aviation, is the first jet-powered flying motorcycle, revolutionizing personal aviation with cutting-edge technology. It features 8 mini-jet engines that allow it to take off and land vertically, VTO, hover, and easily soar through the air. With a cruising speed of 60 miles per hour and a flight time of around 30 minutes, it offers an exciting and futuristic travel experience. Designed for both manned and unmanned flights, the Speeder is versatile and can be used in various fields like military operations, cargo delivery, firefighting, and medical evacuations. This groundbreaking vehicle takes a significant leap in personal aviation, bringing the dream of flying on 2 wheels closer to reality. Virgin Hyperloop is an advanced transportation system that aims to transform travel by blending the speed of air travel with the efficiency of ground transport. It uses low-pressure tubes to move passengers in levitating pods at speeds of up to 670 miles per hour, 180 kilometers per hour. By minimizing friction and air resistance, this system offers a fast, eco-friendly alternative to traditional travel methods like trains and planes. Virgin Hyperloop can drastically shorten travel times between cities, reducing hours to just minutes. The system is not only focused on speed, but also on providing a sustainable and efficient way to connect people. It promises to reduce traffic congestion and environmental impact, positioning itself as a key part of the future of transportation. XRV Adventures is your gateway to thrilling off-road and overland experiences, perfect for anyone who loves exploring the world's most remote and challenging terrains. They specialize in crafting customized expedition vehicles equipped with everything you need for long off-grid journeys. These vehicles combine rugged durability with modern comfort, making them ideal for adventurers seeking both excitement and practicality. Whether you're tackling steep mountain trails, crossing vast deserts, or venturing through dense forests, XRV Adventures has you covered. They also offer guided tours led by expert guides who prioritize safety while ensuring your trip is unforgettable. XRV Adventures is perfect for those looking to break free from ordinary travel and embrace the freedom of the open road. With their support, you can push the boundaries of exploration while enjoying the convenience and comfort of a fully equipped vehicle. If epic journeys and unforgettable experiences are what you seek, XRV Adventures is ready to be your trusted partner in adventure. The ZG1 is a concept vehicle that aims to redefine performance, luxury, and futuristic design. Featuring a sleek aerodynamic shape and advanced technology, it provides an exciting driving experience while being eco-friendly with its electric powertrain. The interior of the ZG1 boasts a minimalist yet luxurious cabin with intuitive controls, smart connectivity, and high-quality materials. Focused on innovation and style, the ZG1 sets a bold standard for the future of automotive design, merging impressive performance with sustainability. The Farazan Hom truck is an advanced semi-truck concept created by Geely's brand, Farazan Auto, designed to compete with the Tesla Semi. It features a modular design with versatile powertrain options, including a methanol range extender and pure electric models with battery swapping capabilities. The truck's interior is built for maximum comfort, offering a home-like experience. It includes a bathroom with a shower and toilet, a cozy bed, a refrigerator, a tea maker, a kitchen, and even a small washing machine. Additionally, the Hom truck uses cutting-edge technology to connect with logistics networks, big data systems, and L4 autonomous driving features, improving efficiency and convenience. With its emphasis on sustainability and driver comfort, the Hom truck aims to be one of the cleanest and most advanced commercial vehicles when production begins in early 2024.